Okay, you should have your mark on your body tube where you want to cut it, and you got this nice straight guide of where you're going to cut it on there. Now the next thing I want you to do is take your pencil, and I want you to put a nice line on there. It's really helpful to have a good line to see exactly where you're going to cut this thing. Okay, so now I've got a nice line all the way around it where I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to take my hobby knife and I'm going to cut along there. Now don't try and cut all the way through with one cut and saw back and forth or something like that. That's not going to work very well. What you want to do is make a small groove around it the first time, and then just keep going around several times till you cut through. Don't try and cut it through all at once. And don't push your hobby knife really hard against this paper guide, because all you're going to do then is cut into the paper guide. These hobby knives are really sharp and I'll cut through both of those. You're just using that as a guide. You really want to cut right on the line that you made. So I'm going to put my knife right here, and I'm actually going to roll the tube more than I'm going to just go around. I'm actually looking at the black line, the line with my pencil mark more than anything else. And I'm just going to go around. And I'm just going to try and stay in the same groove. So, don't try and cut through it all at once, like I said. It's going to take about 2 to 3 times around for you to cut through. Okay, I'm on my 3rd time around and it's just about to cut through. And then, once you've got that nice groove in there, and then you can see it cutting through. So take your time with this because you want a nice clean cut on the end of it. I have a little bit at there at the edge. I just quite have done. There we go. And when you're done with that, you should have a nice clean cut on the end. And you can take your tape off. Take that marking guide off. And you should have a nice clean end there that's good and smooth. Okay, so let's go get your tube, mark it up. You should have cut it off there, and when you got your body tube cut to the right length, come on back and I'll talk to you about how to put the fins on.